if you've got a busted latch on your Miata's glove box, fixing it might be easier than you think. So I'm gonna get to it. So pretty much every Miata I've ever messed with has had some sort of problem with the latch. This one, as you can tell, is black instead of tan, but when I got this tan interior, it didn't come with the latch at all. And so I had this old one laying around, which is broken when you open it. The little ear on the side is busted, and so it pops off. So it still works, but I was ready to change it over to a tan one and fix that busted piece. So replacing it's pretty easy. You only need two things. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver to take the screws out of the back of it, and you're going to need a pick, or you could use a flathead screwdriver or something like that to get the lock cylinder out. So let's take this thing out of here. So first things first, if your box is locked, you will not be able to open it. So if it is locked, unlock it, obviously. And a quick side note, if you're missing the little pull tab on the latch, there is a rectangular hole in the center that you'll have to stick something inside of and press down on, and that will operate the lever to actually open the glove box for you. There are 3 screws on the back. And once you get those 3 screws out, it's literally just going to come right out of there. Alright, so I got the brand new part for less than $20 online, and also the right color for me. So you can see on the old one, you have to get this lock cylinder out and transfer it over. The problem that you get with these is how they break here on that little ear. You could repair that ear, but for under 20 bucks, I'm just going to replace the latch, on top of needing the new color anyway. But I will hold on to this one because it does function. So to get this out, you're going to have to take this plastic cover off, which is where your pick comes into play. So you're basically just going to pop this off on the side, pop this one off on the side. That'll come off, and you'll see in there that there is a little brass tab. Click that in, push down, and once that is in there, your whole lock cylinder will slide right out. And there you go. Another cool thing to note, if your lock matches with your key, when you put your key in, all those pins will be the same height. And so it'll be even and let you turn it, except for this back one. So if you had a key that didn't match, what you could do is you could actually take these out and rearrange them to where when you put your key in, they match up, and then your lock will work. I had to do that with this one. This one did not come with a key, and so I ended up having to use a different key. So I had to make the locks work. And you can actually do that for all the locks in the vehicle. Easiest way to do it is to go to the junkyard, buy a set or 2 of locks so that you can get a bunch of these little guys, because they're all different, and just match up what you need. So to reinstall, you can just leave this on there. Make sure to put your cylinder in the right way. Click it in. to make sure it functions. Make sure that it will turn that. And then you're ready to go. Keep it in unlocked position. When it's unlocked, it's going to move that down. When it is locked, it will not move that. All right, and now on mine, I've got some rough edges here. I'm just going to take a razor blade and smooth this out. Only because it bugs me. And to reinstall, you're just going to push this in and then turn it, but it does have to be open because of course it'll interfere with the latch. So put that there, set our screws into place. All right, and it's all finished up. Got a functioning latch. That is the correct color for me. Of course, if yours is black, get a black one. And really, a black one with a tan glove box doesn't look that bad to me, but I wanted to match it up. So that's gonna do it. So thanks for watching.